and we are looking for warmer weather for this week. So if you're kind of tired of that very brief cool down that we did get this past cold front session, we're looking for warmer weather, and that brings with it the threat for some morning fog and also eventually another cold front late Friday with some showers, and it looks like some storms. We might actually get a little bit of rain with this next front instead of super spotty rain that we did get over the weekend, maybe a ½ inch to an inch with this next one coming up Friday into Saturday. Morning fog possible really through the week, especially perhaps Thursday. We're returning to near 80 degrees Tuesday through Thursday, and then we're tracking that front for late Friday. What an interesting sky. We have billowy clouds, we have some patches of blue sky, and we have a lot warmer kind of feel out there. 68 degrees now. Whereas yesterday we had that cooler air in place, clouds pretty much remaining through the day, and temperatures only around 60 for high. So big warm up here. Note our winds north of Lake Pontchartrain now coming in from the south, and most of our South Shore locations also getting south winds, although officially still reporting at the airport north winds, but likely to change soon as many of us are getting to that 70-degree mark or low 70s for this afternoon. And again, you can see Kenner northwest officially winds, but elsewhere we have south winds. You know that's going to bring in more moisture from the Gulf and also tends to warm us up here in South Louisiana. So next few hours, lower 70s, a mix of clouds with some breaks of sun and blue sky. And then tonight looks partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures this evening just drop off through the 60s. And then tonight we'll look for official lows in the 50s to about 60. And our fog potential for tomorrow, it actually looks like at least this model is positioning the fog potential a bit more to our east and has us okay. So hopefully this is the case. But when we get that warmer air gliding over cooler land areas and especially cooler water areas, that's where we tend to see the fog formation overnight and early in the mornings. And it's a very common setup when we get warm ups this time of year. So we'll be tracking that each morning. It is possible tomorrow morning, although hopefully we'll get away with another morning without a really big risk of fog. 78 degrees or so expected tomorrow. We're warming right up to almost 80 for the next 3 days. And then Friday still kind of warm, but late in the day we're expecting that front. And then we'll see temperatures going way down to about average by Sunday, with our average high right now at 62. And we'll be pretty close to that as we get our next cool down. So warmer weather with high pressure over the next few days. Here comes our next trough digging in and sending us a cold front Friday night into Saturday, and then probably another little shot of cooler air early Sunday. So this is Friday, 6 p.m., maybe a couple of showers. This is by 5 a.m. Saturday. This particular model, the Euro, wants to put in some rain, now pushing it back more toward overnight and early morning on Saturday. And then here we are by 8 a.m. Saturday, and then by the afternoon we should be drying out and looking for drier conditions on Sunday, and also a cooler feel with that next little front set to move in later on Sunday. So your 7-day forecast: Thursday, just a slight chance of rain. Friday, 60% or so chance. Might have to nudge that upward as the models are coming into pretty good agreement. Sometime Friday night, perhaps we get that line of showers and a few storms. It looks breezy Friday and into Saturday when we have a chance of rain, mainly early in the day, and then we'll look for breezy and cooler conditions Saturday and into Sunday. A good bit cooler in Monday of next week. A week from now looking chilly as well. We'll be watching that fog potential in the mornings. Otherwise pleasant, warmish, spring-like kind of afternoons. Friday rain totals again about a ½ inch to an inch. We'll watch in case of a severe storm, but kind of too early to tell the severe threat at this point. But again, we'll keep an eye on it.